ki khubor ka Bate CTV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ka Grace Institution Bangalore ka College Puli Nursing ka babhatam na kabanta ki khna ka Meghalaya kala play ya ka admission minta.
Ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council hagajing penlongi ya ka Monolith Festival. Lani ka tamasa mawena kala penlut haduk khatway laktingka klem dadon pat ka jingmi. Ya gani lapan pau da u executive member bapet ya katanat arts and culture uba Victor Rani haga kenta keli jingkeli haga sengi ba ar. Jongga dorbar liur jongga Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council ya kabala keli da uba Titus W. Khan. Haba jubab uba Victor ulaong baga jinglut barok ka kot kumba khatway lak arpu ar hajar tengka. Bat ka jing penlut kadai bawai ya ki bos bat hiet ya ki paila bat hiet janspong. Na kabanta ki hek ki hain bat ya ka jing siu ladat ban siu lut ya baro.
Hello Yuri, Bati W. Khan, Gondra ya medically, member Badan Buram Nasara. Additionally, along with the executive member in charge, be pleased to state the total expenditure expended out of the council fund for the last Monolith Festival. As you walk along, a statement placed on the table, sir.
Kebetulan Mr. Chairman, sir. Berkunjung ya minsat sebelah jubab. The nadon katuan itliki supplementary. Kalau kenika kam. Kebaningkong tolong ada nika statement yang kepala ai dah. Ia minsat. Aku akan tip hari ini kejing pelut keba nyolak meruku ar Kebohong in connection with Monolith Festival. Kumpi kita kijaj expenditure keba pelut nota.
Ka jingpulut along kumne harum sir. Hire bus immediately Safra Hajar, nangta payment to blacksmith, si Lakshman 4,000, nangta license, nangta award presentation, like 4,000, nangta sanlut, purchase of paila, nagamta VIP, si Hajar away, santali, galong san Hajar, purchase of janspong, core for VIP, akador san Hajar away, Santali along Arpsan Hajar, purchase of Spong original for invitees, Hajar Kawai, Arpatli along Saufo Hajar, lunch for official of the council, 300 per head, Arspangut along 104 Hajar, lunch for reimburse on the launching of Monolith Advance and Display, Katsau Hajar, miscellaneous expense along Silak Sanpo, payment to 12 traditional huts, Akador Sifo Hajar along Silak Arfo Hajar. But total along Yolak Ndefo Hajar, sir.
Toh boleh sibunya yang belai tu details. Syukur bantip bala dep siulut ne em ya kini biar kita fikir lah. Siulut ne em kita ki beri kita supply.
Acha, dah absolut.
Kemudian, aku mengitip ya kini ke Monolith Festival la penyiat pat dakiwe, mau la bay teka daka state government. Iskua bantip na ka agency ke penyiat ini, but katnu ke government ke bay bisa na ke benta kini ke Monolith Festival.
Mr. Chairman, sir, kumbaga tip ba naga council limdon naga fund penlong ya ka Monolith Festival, then naga ka sarkar naga tanat tourism department kalabai ya kani ka pisa ka jundut para te na ka liang ka jong council na ka estimate budget jong ka apply of sao nilap mang arpo hajar thik arpo lak earmark nang ka kani ka arts and culture department but kani ka jeng pulut bapni ka dei na kani ka arpo lak but baro de bai na ka tourism department likely
Mr. Chairman, long isu kwa bantik, nakaliang pambay ka isu kwa bantik, ba nakaliang ka government mo katnu ka bay, ya kani ka menurut sekarang. Ni aku boleh ya ka isi ka belala ban peniat ya kani ka Monolith Festival. Te hakajo ka por long ka nakrai ni kwa ikong ki member bantik ba ka government katnu ka la bay, katnu ka la pelut, manu mo peniat. Ang katay ka bang ikuha bantik.
te nagaliang kani ka department arts and culture sir limdan jintip ai ru ekane baro ka ber ka sarkar ekane na ka tanat tourism department limdan ka record ai ekane sir
Mr. Chairman, sir, squad banjo jingsai abala suntu ba ka nagaliang juga council kala budget kalam tangkap tu te baru khot ka dei ka bala pulut nagaliang jong ka tourism department ka state kurman te habala pulut kemat kadon ru berkejung te habak ya ka jingni nan taipat kalai ka tourism department du sarkar na kawan juga council squad banjo jingsai
kata ka tip ka tourism department ba ki khot ru ka ya ka tender but ki ai wai ru ma ki ni nagaliang jing limdan